How to temporarily deactivate Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can temporarily deactivate Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then make sure to launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook app, you're going to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three lines option from the top right, over here you'll find this gear icon, which is the settings option. And once you tap the settings option, you're going to come to settings and privacy, where you have to go to Meta Account Center, which is see more in Account Center button here. Once you're here, you'll find this option called personal details. Just make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on personal details, over here you'll find this option known as account ownership and control. And what you need to do is just tap on account ownership and control option. And then here you'll find this option known as deactivation or deletion, and then just make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on deactivation or deletion, of course, just make sure to select your Facebook account. And then here you'll find this option called deactivate or delete account button. You can just make sure to select deactivate account. Tap the continue button over here, and all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your password. Once you've entered your password, tap the continue option. Your Facebook will be temporarily deactivated. This way you can temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.